goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible, with a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical, inadmissible in my physical. Habitual, it's inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be doing a couple units for you, but before I get to that, I just wanted to do a quick update on the unit I'm wearing, which is the Outre Swiss Outre Rylee unit. So my honest thoughts of this is I've been wearing it for actually about 2.5 weeks straight, sleeping in it. But when I sleep in it, I do, just like with all my units, put it in a ponytail, twist it up, and put my satin wrap on. My honest thoughts about it are, it is pretty, but I feel like it's a lot of hair, and it's definitely a lot of maintenance. The Yaki Texture gets more prevalent with time, and I just feel like I wouldn't get it again because of the fact that it's becoming so just tangly, and it definitely sheds a good amount. And I've put some leave-in hair conditioner in it over the 2-week period, and it definitely has helped, made it more soft and made the curls bounce back. So it does look good, but my thing is just I feel like it's a good amount of maintenance and I'm just not for that. It may look a little crazy now because I was just out food shopping, running around, and it was raining. So I mean, it held up pretty good for the rain and everything, and the parting space and everything looks good, but my honest opinion is, out of all the units I've reviewed from this line, that being the Outre Jordan, the Outre Christia, and this one would probably be my least favorite because the amount of maintenance that I've had to put in it. The other two units felt like they were easier to maintain and held up longer. Even the Outre Jordan, which is another curly unit, more of a soft wave pattern, not such kinky curly as this. So I mean, I would recommend it if it's not going to be something that you're going to wear daily. My thing is, I'm just always looking for units that will hold up over a good amount of time because I wear them so constantly, and not trying to always be doing wig swaps back and forth. So yeah, I mean, so I guess if you get this unit, just beware that if you're wearing it 2 weeks straight, you're definitely going to get some tingling, definitely going to get some shedding. And also, to get it to sort of lay flat like this was a good amount of work because I had to use my my flat iron pretty much to just press it down, and then I held it down with my silk wrap for maybe like 10-15 minutes, and I've been doing that every night to just keep it flat, because I was wearing it in the half up half down style but wanted to give it a change, so I just straightened it down so that I could have this part looking more prevalent. And I mean, I think it looks pretty good, but just the fact of, with this line, the fact that you pretty much have to just go scrounge around and search for the parting, I'm not a fan of that. And like I said in my previous videos, I think if you were to get this, you should just pick one way to wear it and just keep that. I feel like that would definitely help it last longer and probably help minimize your shedding and tingling, but you definitely will get shedding and tingling with this. So let me just give you a 360 so you can see the whole vibe of what it's looking like. This isn't all the hair to the front, but it's a good amount of it. It's very full, definitely. Even with all the shedding and tingling and everything, it still remained pretty full. So this would be to the front. This would be to the side. And then this is everything to the back. So I don't know if you're noticing, it's kind of a little bit matty, a little bit clumpy, which of course happens to units over time. So definitely beware of that. I've just had units that I could say that I wore for longer that held up better. So definitely keep that in mind if you're planning on wearing this unit constantly like I did. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. This was my 2.5 week update, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for checking this video out. If you like what you saw, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Bye.